Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we talk all things beauty, product reviews, and everything in between. If you're like me and love finding products that help you achieve the perfect natural brow look, today's review might just be the one you've been waiting for. We're taking a closer look at the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil. This little gem promises to give you perfectly shaped brows that stay in place all day, even through sweat or rain. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. So, what's in this pencil? First off, it's a medium brown shade designed to complement a range of brow tones. The formula is infused with Amazonian clay, which is known for being gentle on the skin while still delivering long-lasting results. The pencil is waterproof, so no matter what life throws at you, your brows will stay intact. Plus, there's a built-in brush to help you blend out the color for that soft, natural finish. Now, onto my personal experience with this pencil. It's super easy to use, and the texture of the pencil is soft enough to glide on without being too creamy or too hard. You get that perfect balance of precision, which is crucial when filling in brows. I tried it out on a busy day, running errands, and even got caught in a light drizzle. Not only did the pencil stay put, but it didn't smudge, which is a major win in my book. I'm particularly impressed with how natural it looks. The color blends well and doesn't leave any harsh lines. You can easily build up the color if you prefer a more defined brow, but it's also subtle enough for those no makeup days. Let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, the formula is indeed waterproof, making it perfect for long days or humid weather. The built-in brush is another bonus, as it helps soften any sharp edges and ensures a more seamless application. Plus, it's travel-friendly. No need to worry about brow powder or gel spilling in your bag. However, there's a downside. If you're not a fan of twist-up pencils, this one might be a little tricky. It's not the type where you can sharpen it for an ultra-fine tip. The precision isn't as sharp as some other brow pencils on the market, but for the most part, it gets the job done. As for value for money, Tarte is a well-known brand with a reputation for quality. This pencil does offer long-lasting performance, especially for those with oily skin or those living in humid climates. It's priced on the higher end, but you're paying for the reliability and performance of the formula. In comparison to other brow pencils in the same category, like Anastasia Beverly Hills or Benefit, the Tarte pencil holds its own. While the price is slightly higher, the waterproof factor and Amazonian clay make it a unique option. If you're someone who struggles with brow products fading or smudging throughout the day, this could be a worthwhile investment. As for the build quality, the pencil feels sturdy and the twist-up mechanism is smooth. I also appreciate the built-in spoolie, which is a feature that other brands often skimp on. To wrap up, this brow pencil delivers on its promise of a natural, long-lasting brow look. Whether you're heading to the office or out for a long day, this pencil will keep your brows intact. If you're looking for a reliable, waterproof brow product, this is definitely worth checking out. If this review was helpful to you, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can stay up to date with all the beauty reviews. Your support means the world and helps us continue bringing honest insights like this one. Thanks for watching. And if you've tried the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Pencil, drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.